parliamentary candidate to the NDC. I shall not in any way undermine the winner. I shall work with unity.
Parliamentary, I have vetting, I will have women. Now, parliamentary vetting, I have part of the processes. They are reorganization in the party. Say a free branch about constituency, bar region, and they call national. And they say about a parliamentary candidate. Yes, I have to buy a flag bearer. A parliamentary candidate, I be 1 year, war a pass with Jinano, 1 and ne, yet the young battle to Mano, and said, you bring young one you be denied this name in the various constituencies. It's Mosha, a year vetting a year, Nipa, or yet training our vetting. Nipa a friend of Dr. Ahaji. Na Nipa Baboni Chidom, a lawyer, and a treasurer or national, your friend, madam, a vida. Regional Monsono, na a regional chairman, a Dr. Makuliva Cabo, and the regional secretary, a friend, a Baba, comrade Baba, Jama, Connie. One also a ball, a year, 1 year of finger and Chidom, I'm here to 2 months for no, Amasabri, you didn't know. Now I read media DNA. Ye no na aminu ena edi kan no ye toto eye nipa mako eye aduasa nwotwe ano ena eda etosu mienu no aye enne no ye toto nipa mako eye aduasa eye miensa ano na wo kan nyina bomu a nipa ye toto oma no eye nipa mako aduoson eye baako na wo hwe ba bi te se eye upper west achim aye adesu no a candidate baako anasa aspirant baako no free honom eba no before the bet no otwi ne ho si nchen se on tonko so e ma ye ntoto na no bio no no atwe ne ho si nchen nya ade a eye akansie na wo ye beko no obeko bio wo hwe ba bi nso te se eye kropo no mra ne ye toto one of the candidates no e wo bet no no ho no so e ka se wanya anko akansie no ebio okwa ye from place eye north one of the candidates one of the genitum based on the condition. Say, your man no be so one conquer what me ye are, and on the Bama no quine, I'm a legend, I'm a yacht on a swabber. It's Sawasha, when you na conso a boy, and my veteran, no, and then get the baby pa. Nasabre, young fanasia, and my police for, young fanasia, my I used to constituency, some hosty young, young fanasia, so ma, I am more media. Mobile boy, Chidom, no more said you may be an idea, and quack so perio, and as a perio on your day, and coso. Near Fanasian so much. I hear all women organizers, and 1 year been where behind at the Mayina, you know BBRC. Now you would say a year aspirant, and there you have to form no I equal to a bay. 1 more by year, 1 more campaign, no devoid of a personal attacks. Say you could do the obiatum, your bay no quan papa so. Now Abua, I'm a party, no, I have a Abuama party na ye hwam na mafoforo nso so ebe hwese on bedom party eti ye frem mo na se binti and ye frem ye damu na mas
beba cho emema hin na mas ahin a contest
eti emma no na in all eye enum ana emema no eye aduosia eye enson Adusia Asia 66.
Lower West Achim, and Red Brown be do better than as one thing now, more young is in chance of
and correct. A Lower West Achim, a friend is as a man can say. Na a petitions be up a bar, a whom he has said, I was simply focused. Na ekusi ase crack and sana ya talk so abet 1 year what they want a young crata abase or person be contest no enu nti ye twe no sensen e de akose e 29 a ye hwe nim se e sa time no ye be na 1 year what they want crata aba no ya toto na nti ukan ya ubisa ye no
Eastern Region, you want 3 constituencies. This time around, here is 22. I didn't see my own Macamian.
In no, Osha, party no guidelines or the by nature say. I am regional one quine say. A constituency, Yasha, and some Kakraba, whom you know, they are trying to me and to a panel in many years. You have 2 on good. It's the region of the 3 constituencies out of the 33 no earlier at one hold. And no a front place a south, a Yensuano, and a Aquatia, yet the South 3 constituencies at one hold. It's now anchor, ye be 30 constituencies, aspirants from 30 constituencies. Nemo and drop your buy and you na to say a lower west came that's Adesso. No, Asaman Cassie. And also because of a petition send be or and also they are 2 on holder. You heard him say an idea anymore, almost on my order. And 2 out of the 33 constituencies and 33 you know. 1 year to 2 is out of 33 year to 29 constituencies.
They disqualify Obi so far.
Yeah, disqualify Obi. They be more withdrawing on one casa if you don't pay a withdrawing.
And the rest. NDC, we are working the delegates now. You know my age went 2020. I'm 2024. Yes, I have 2 age so now train. So delegates, because only Papa Mom, and you cannot take the delegates for granted. I'm on Moody party, I'm on your party, I'm your grassroots. Until I'm on a train, say, I'm baby, upon any come. In 2020, Yemianum can say, one guy only 5,000 votes. Yamiadum, you cross over 20,000 votes. New job in South Seat and young PPC. So, most of them in NDC perception at home to say, I mean, MPP, and any commitment, any loyalty to the party, and a bit of my punk for fee, I got NDC for P, no matter NDC, in 2024. NDC by 7 December, 10 p.m. Na Abana Daniaba NDC or Niam Member of Parliamentary. New job in South constituency.
I don't have
a very Dr. Martin or
ballot number
Pastor made number 2.
It has become quite important that we address you after a successful vetting of parliamentary aspirants in the Eastern Region. So this is an update of the vetting of parliamentary aspirants in the Eastern Region. The Eastern Regional Secretariat sends warm felicitation to the general public and its stakeholders. It is an honor and pleasure to announce to the general public a successful completion of our parliamentary vetting, which commenced on the 4th and is ending with this press soiree. The vetting committee, chaired by Dr. William Mahaji, consisted of Madam Vida Adai, Lawyer Sam Akwete Kwe, Regional Chairman Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo, and Regional Secretary Baba Jamal Kone. A total of 71 aspirants from 29 constituencies were vetted in 2 days, where 2 of the candidates withdrew from the contest. One from Lower West Akim and one from Ekupong. Lower West Akim withdrew before even the vetting, and the one from Ekupong withdrew during vetting. A candidate from a front place was also cleared on a condition upon fulfillment. The Secretariat would like to commend various aspirants and party faithfuls for their cooperation and comportment exhibited throughout this exercise. We will also express our appreciation to the various stakeholders, such as you, the media, the police, and the various food vendors. We therefore entreat all aspirants to continue in their peaceful tranquility to the end of the process, being 13th of May 2023. Thank you.